So the map array method is used to create a new array, and it accepts a callback function, and this callback function is executed on each and every element of the array, and it must return a value. For example, let's say I'm a shop owner and I've been hit by inflation. If I want to adjust my prices to the inflation, the go-to method would be the map method. So I'm going to map my prices to the new prices. So I'll say new prices like this, which is equal to prices dot map. So for each price, I'm going to adjust it to inflation plus price times, I will assume like the inflation rate is 25%, and then console log, then new prices. Let me run it. So you can see that now my prices are now adjusted to inflation. So that's it. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.